Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. Wow. It's a heavy duty door.
EMR 18s.
Okay.
It has 3 Amper 7500s, rolling half on. Okay. Yeah.
Did you build the whole box enclosure too?
Bobby Wright built the design and CNC milled the enclosure.
Wow.
A lot of teamwork went into this. Kerry Stahl helped me build the back wall.
Okay.
We did some adjustments to the port.
Yeah.
A lot of people involved in making sure we
Yes, sir.
we delivered a good
yeah. Did a really good job. I like it, man. And this is actually like, is this like a 4th order? Or is there a rear port too?
This is a 4th order 3-to-1
Okay.
ratio.
Wow. You're playing really low into the teen frequencies in the 4th. That's really efficient. Did it good. Do you know your port tuning? I know it's adjusted depending on the seats and all, but
Yeah, we have a guess. Bobby and I estimated the back seats were going to help for loading, but it doesn't seem to be that way. So we actually added a ledge here, and
okay.
Kerry and I built a port, changed it out, tried a few different things to make sure that what we have was going to get what we could.
Yes, sir.
But
awesome. And what are these subwoofers rated for?
these are 5K RMS. So
okay. Nice.
we're probably pulling 8K to them.
Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Well, nice to meet you, man. Your name?
Adam Parker.
Adam. Awesome. Appreciate it, Adam. Nice to meet you, man. I like your doors too. I know they're getting beat to death.
Hey, check this out.
Oh man. Is that from just friction rub?
It's actually clamping on my seat over here.
Oh, okay. Man. Did you build it for the lows more?
Yeah, the whole build.
The whole build. Got it.
The subs were designed with like 18 FS after they were break-in.
Yes, sir.
And knowing that information, we tried to design it out so that we could get that full range.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Interesting.
Wow.
I know you left, but I hope you won't forget me. I really try to be my best when you was with me. I really try to be my best and it got tricky. I hope you miss me. I know you left, but I hope you won't forget me. I really try to be my best when you was with me. I really try to be my best and it got tricky. I got some deep repetition in me. I want to spike you. Fucking proud, but I fucking hate your friends. But I know that be a piece of
You built a monster, man. Really clean and low volume, like really low tuning on that. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice job. Really? Nice. That was good. So that was down to 18 hertz. Holy smokes. You have a good day. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.